Hello. My name is Bob Stepnowski William Jonathan Wentz Yorkton Billion Roberts Jankinson the 227th.
And I am going to show you how to make homemade guns, a rocket launcher, a machine gun, and a pistol. So, the rocket launcher. You should have a drill, some water, and an ink pen. Step 1, pour water on the drill, then put the ink pen on the tip of the drill. Then wait 600 hours. Oops, it's actually a sentry gun. I'm now gonna test it on Albert. Okay, here it goes. If you order now, you will get a free donut.
Did someone say donuts?
No. That's a $10 value for just $89.95. So call now.
Wow, I am so not buying that. Yay, what fun.